Have you ever looked up at the sky after a rainfall and seen a beautiful arc of colors? That magical display is called a rainbow, and it's a result of some fascinating science. Rainbows make us wonder, how do those bright colors appear in the sky like magic? First, we have to start with the question, why does a rainbow have so many colors? Well, it begins with a clear, round drop of water hanging in the sky. Rainbows are formed when sunlight shines through raindrops. Sunlight looks white, but it is made up of lots of different colors all mixed together. These colors can be separated into a spectrum, just like how we see them in a rainbow. Let's imagine the raindrop as a tiny water prism in the sky. A prism is a special shape that bends light, and that's what happens inside the drop. When sunlight enters a raindrop, it bends or refracts. This bending is a little like how light changes direction when it moves from air into water. Inside the raindrop, the light bends at its front surface, travels through, and then leaves from the back. During this journey, the light is split into different colors. This splitting happens because each color travels at a slightly different speed through the raindrop. The colors spread out and don't overlap, and that's what forms the arc of colors known as a rainbow. The colors of a rainbow appear in a specific order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This order is because each color bends at a different angle inside the raindrop. Next, the rainbow arcs appear to be floating in the sky, but actually, they're always forming a circle. We usually only see part of the circle because the ground blocks the rest. There's also a myth that says you can find a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. But the truth is, rainbows are not objects you can touch or reach. They form when we stand at the right angle with the sun and water droplets. Now you know the secret. Rainbows are messages from sunlight. When sunlight, water droplets, and you come together, nature paints a colorful masterpiece in the sky. So next time you see a rainbow, you'll understand how white sunlight magically becomes a bright arc of colors, thanks to the tiny drops of rain.